1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Eddy Kwazi, korite.
Yes, Kwazi, what are you doing?
Oh, hi guys. I was just practicing my counting. Oh. You know what would be really cool though? If I could count in Shona.
Yeah, let's count to 10 in Shona.
Motsi kusvika gumi.
Huh?
1 to 10, Kwazi. Come on, I'll show you. Now, where did I put my balls? Come on, let's count together.
Can you count to 10 in English?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, Kwazi, it's really easy. Let's count these balls together. Motsi, mbiri, natu, ina, shanu, nanatu, nomwe, sere, fumbamwe, gumi. You got it, Kwazi?
Yes, I think so, Trymore. Actually, can you show me again?
Sure thing.
Rega ndimutaridzeni niTrymore.
Cool.
Motsi, banana, mbiri, grapes, natu, orange, ina, zai, shanu, mbatatisi, nanatu, domasi, nomwe, huku, sere, kabeji, pfumbamwe, chibage, gumi, karoti.
That's really cool, Eddy. I love those. Hey, tell you what. Let's count my hairbands.
Motsi, mbiri, natu, ina, shanu, nanatu, nomwe, sere,
Pfumbamwe.
Gumi.
Count to 10 in Shona.
Motsi, imbiri, natu, ina, shanu,
Nanatu.
nanatu, namwe, sere,
Fumbamwe.
fumbamwe, gumi.
Well done.
Whoa, you guys. I love that. Counting in Shona is so much fun.
Cheers, Kwazi. It only gets easier the more you do it. So you know what? We should count everything in Shona from now on.
Ini chikafu ndisha ndinofarira kuverenga zvangu.
I'm not surprised, Eddy. You love counting food as you eat one by one.
We love counting!